What's up, everybody? My name is Dylan and I'm a graphic design student. Just wanted to make this day in the life of a graphic design student type of video, and I just wanted to bring y'all with me on a journey, So first of all, I'm gonna be straight with y'all and tell y'all that I was late to class. I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I watch these other videos of other people and they're always on time, all organized, and nah, that's not me. But anyways, we had a project to design like some type of little tissue box as graphic design students, you know what I'm saying? So I was just brainstorming and like looking around to see like what I can do. One thing that I noticed about tissue boxes is that, I'm not gonna lie, the designs are all ugly on it. So you could basically kind of do what you want to do. So this is the type of design I was doing, just like straight up flowers and then like place them into like some type of gradient color. That was my main idea. I didn't want to do too much because it's really like just a tissue box, you know what I'm saying? It's nothing to be like crazy about. So that's the design I had. Honestly, I didn't want to go too ham because I know that we're gonna have like different projects, like as graphic designers, sometimes you could have a lot of projects. So that was the one idea that I had. Honestly, I would have done something different right now that I think of it. I wanted to do like some type of city type thing in the background, but I just wanted to do something quick since I was late. Hey, so it was the end of the day, so I was just like, you know what? Let me go get myself a little pizza at the pizza near my school. It was pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Look at how I'm eating that. Golly. So this video is not gonna be long. I don't even know if anybody's gonna watch this video, but anyways, thanks for watching.